So you've got your new 4-door hardtop Bronco, but there's just something missing. That open top, wind in your hair. Damn it. You know what I mean. Well, I've got the cure for that right here. The Bestop Skyrider retractable top. Designed specifically for the new Ford Bronco, this retractable top is about to redefine your driving adventures. The Skyrider replaces your factory top panels. This gives you a large door row opening that you can have anytime you want. And you can easily flip back the soft top. Just like that, you're ready for the rush of the wind and the warmth of the sun as you head out on your next adventure. That means you can enjoy that wind in your hair feeling on the trail, the road, or anywhere in between. The 3-panel part of the hardtop effortlessly unlatches from the front. Just remove the front 2 folding panels in the middle and seamlessly install the Skyrider to unlock a whole new level of freedom. No matter the season or the weather, the Skyrider is built to withstand it all. Its sturdy construction and durable materials guarantee a year-round, all-weather driving experience. You'll be ready to tackle any adventure that comes your way. If you want to know more about the Skyrider retractable top by Bestop, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.